Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I've been wanting to bring this ash brown hair color to you guys for the longest. I think I found the perfect mix of everything and I just want to go ahead and just jump right into it. So I'll be using my loose deep wave wig. This is my wig from my hair company. I have already sectioned it off and I'll be going in with 50 volume developer along with some powdered bleach. I'm using the highest developer because this wig is virgin and I want the highest lift possible. So I'm going to start off in the closure section. So I'm just pointing to the areas that I'll be working on first. So I have the two money pieces sectioned off, and the area that I was just pointing at, that'll be next. And then the section after that is after that. So I'm going to start the bleach at the very front with the two money piece sections, and then I'll be working my way towards the back. So I'm just showing you all pretty much the steps that I'll be going in. So first is the money piece section, and then after that are the sections that are sectioned off by pretty much where your ears would be. And then after that, I'll be working in the back. So that's what I pretty much did. And I've already gotten my foils together. And I think it lifted up to pretty much the yellow that I wanted it to, the yellow blonde that I wanted it to get to. And I'm going to have to go back in. You see where you get the patchiness is where it's not soaked. So you definitely want to make sure that you use enough bleach so that you don't have any patches. So that could be corrected with hair dye, of course, which is what I'm going to do. So I have my hair all lifted up, and as you guys can see, the pattern still comes back even after being bleached, which is why I love my vendor. So yeah, these are the box dyes that I'll be using, the ash brown and the medium brown. And then I'll be going in with the ash blonde in the front. So those money piece sections right there, those are going to be my ash blonde. And I'm going to go in with the ash blonde first at the ends. And I'm going to work my way up, but I'm going to stop towards the root because I'll be using the medium brown. No, actually, this is what I did. Because I feel like I'm going to confuse somebody. So I did the ash blonde, and then I went in with the ash brown, and then towards the root, I went in with the medium brown. I hope that makes sense. But I did label my bottles just so that I knew which one was the root color, which one was like the mid shaft. Like right there is where the ash brown would go. And then on top of that is where the medium brown would go. So I could have like a nice smooth transition into the ash blonde. And in the back sections, I'm using the medium brown right in the top shaft of the hair. And then I'll be smoothing down, as you guys can see, I'll be smoothing down the ash blonde product just to kind of get it all the way together and just evenly coated and all that good stuff. Oh my gosh, I really hope that made sense. I'm gonna have to do this video over, but I just wanted to show you guys the process. This is everything. The ash blonde is at the very end. So yeah, this is it processing, and I'm going to rinse out the dyes. And I'm going to use my no yellow shampoo just to get rid of any brassiness that might have still been, present. And then I did go in and style the hair using some duckbill pins just to give it some pin curls. And I'm going to be installing this wig with my lace gel. This is not glue. It's just a gel that acts just like glue, and it's perfect for glueless installs and daily wear. And I like to use it because it doesn't break me out or irritate my skin, but it holds just as well as lace glue would hold. So I'm just showing you guys how I like to use it. You can find it on my website. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description. So yeah, I'm pretty much just, yeah, I'm installing this wig because I'm wearing it tonight. And I needed that extra melt. And there go my lace melt band, you know, helping the lace gel adhere to that lace. And I'm removing the pins, and look at those curls. I love loose deep wave curled because the curls just last a lot longer in loose deep wave hair. So here is the final look. Look at those curls and look at that color. I'm so glad that I got around to actually trying out this color. I've been sitting on it for a while, but it was definitely one that I will do over and over again now that I've gotten the hang of it. I'll leave the number of boxes regarding like the hair dye in the description for you guys, just in case if you need it. I hope that you all found this video super helpful. If you did, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.